In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix social club failed to initialize the error 16 in RDR2. So first thing you want to do is go here and type in Rocket Star Games. So here you will see social club. So if you were curious about the location, this is the location, and you want to click inside social club and delete these 3 folders. And then you want to delete the launcher and then delete the cache. So don't worry, these folders will automatically reinstall and refresh once you run the game again. So delete the launcher and the cache, and once you're done you can just close this and close this. Now the second thing I recommend you doing is go inside Epic Games and verify the files of Red Dead Redemption. So you can do this by going here, and I'll show an example, for example, like for Valorant as an example. So you can do the same steps for Red Dead Redemption. So you would click on the 3 dots of Red Dead Redemption, and then click Manage, and then click Verify. This will verify the folders and make sure all folders are correct and verified. So once you have done this, if you're still experiencing issues, then I recommend to uninstall Red Dead Redemption 2 and try to reinstall it. So you can do this through Epic Games the same way. You can basically go here and just, if you do click on these 3 dots of Red Dead Redemption, you will see uninstall button, and after that just reinstall it, and hopefully this fixes your issue.